All right. Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a wet mount slide of the letter E and how to place it onto the microscope and view it. So over here, we have a cutout of a lowercase letter E, and it doesn't have to be all the way cut out, it's just that part over here. This is a glass slide, and this is a cover slip. This is water dropper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just place a little drop, a little dab of water on the slide like that, right in the center of the slide. Now we don't want our fingerprints all over it because then that'll get in the way. So I'm going to add this letter E on here, cut it a little shorter, and I'm going to place it right onto that water dropper, and I'm going to straighten it out however you want to straighten it out. And I want to see the E facing me. I'm going to add another water or two on top of it because I got to get water on it. There we go. Sliding too much. Okay, the letter E should be facing me. And then I'm going to take the cover slip. I'm going to place it on a 45-degree angle. So remember, hold on the sides. See the angle I'm holding? I'm going to put one here like this, and I'm going to drop it. I'm going to drop it like this. And the reason why I do that is to allow it not to have a lot of bubbles. And I see the E, I want the E facing me, the lowercase E facing me. Now I'm going to place it onto the slide, onto the stage, and on the stage. I'm going to make sure that the stage is moved all the way down using my coarse adjustment. Open up the stage clips, throw it in here, and secure it. And then I'm going to move that E above that light. I want to make sure the light, I'm using my iris diaphragm, the light is the brightest it is. And I'm going to use my stage clip knobs over here and move the E over that hole in the light. I'm going to eyeball it wherever I think it's right in the center. I have it on my lowest. This is the scanning. That's just 4 times. 4 times 10, that's 40 times. All right, now I have it on there. I believe I have it on there. I'm going to put my eye on here. I'm going to put my hands on the coarse adjustment. Look through here, and I'm going to continue to get closer and closer until I see an E. And I see it, but it's not centered. So I still have to recenter it. I want that E right in the center. And there it goes. I could adjust the light if I want to, if it's too bright. Using my iris diaphragm, or too dark, I could adjust the light. Okay. All right. And I see it. And I see the E is upside down and backwards. It's right in the center. My microscope also has something called a pointer. If you move this around, that little black line is a pointer. You can use that to identify things with. After I have this done, I want to go on to my 10 times. My 10 times is the yellow. So I'm just switch it, clip it, make sure it's clipped in right on the 10. And I'm going to take my hands and put on the fine adjustment now. And I'm just going to use the fine adjustment just to adjust it a little so I can see the, and I see that this whole E just got bigger, and I see the whole E upside down, taking up my whole vision. It looks like this. This is what I'm looking at. The whole E is upside down in here. Okay? And I want you to take a picture of it or draw it. And after you do that, I am going to ask you to go on to your 40 times, which is my blue one. And now, again, you can recenter it. You can use your light, change your light again if you need to, lighten it up. You can recenter it. Now, it looks a little weird because I'm only looking at a part of the E. And I could determine if I'm looking at the, and I can use my fine adjustment again here. And I could be looking at the bottom of the E or the middle of the E, but it doesn't matter what part of the E I'm looking at, and I want to draw that. Okay, and that's how you do them. When I'm done, I'm going to move my slide down. I'm going to move this to the lowest possible objective lens. I'm going to take my slide off. Answer the questions, and that is how you do the lab. Thank you.